So I had to buy a road. I had to buy a road. I bought a road for $5,000. I
Huh.
control the whole road. I don't have to get anybody's permission. They don't have to sign my building permits because I now own the road. Technically, if I didn't buy this road and because it's not in the a public road, I would have to, not owned by the county, I would have to get the private road owner's signature on all my building permits, giving me permission to access my property. It's crazy.
So then you got to have a road maintenance agreement as well.
Yes, that's being designed, that's being developed now. And I'm also putting in a few restrictions
Oh, good.
because I'm trying to control, not much, but just I'm trying to keep the community nice.
Hey,
So what happened on lot nine is lot nine, if you look down to the right, actually they're not showing it on this little clip. It's actually a little piece of it is in what's called the RPA, meaning it has to be 100 feet from that water. So this is what helps with having a brilliant engineering firm. Rather than that be held up because of that one delay with that one lot, my engineering firm said, Lisa, what we're going to do is we're going to go and get them to sign off on the 8 lots, and then we're going to address the ninth lot with them. We're going to let them know we're going to do that, but we're going to get them to sign off on the 8 lots. And then after they sign off on it and you record the subdivision, we're going to deal with the ninth lot. Now, part of the ninth lot means I just have to put up signs stating that it's an RPA on that lot. And I just can't be in, I think it's like 10 feet. So I am going to be able to use that lot. I just don't know. They might make me they might require a few more requirements. And I have to decide at that point if the money that my engineering firm that I have to spend with them is worth it. I think it will be because these lots are, these lots, I haven't really come up with the exact figure yet, but it's between 50, some are selling for 75,000 each. I don't know if these will. This is probably a C area. Their houses are selling for like 350. It's not a bad area. It's
Are you going
BC
to sell
area.
these lots, Lisa?
I am
Bill.
still trying to figure that part out. But here's the deal. I ended up because I'm going to cover that in 1 minute, Jim, as I wrap this up.
There's
I
probably some
paid
builders on Zoom today that would like to buy. Anybody? Go
Yeah,
ahead.
I'm going to show you what my options are. That's what I love about development. So I paid 120. I'm going to give you my numbers on this because I know everybody in dealing with building and development, people want to know these numbers. So I paid 127.5 for it. I renegotiated it to 122.5 because I had to pay 5,000. I negotiated the road for 5,000. I'm not really happy about owning a road, but I can control it, so I got the seller to come off for 5,000 so I could buy the road. I solved their title problems. They were in a big hurry to close. I typically don't close on land until I get county approval, but since this was by right, they drove me crazy to close. And they're in another state, so they wanted the money. They inherited the property. All right, so for some of you that don't believe that you have to have your own money to do this, to do what I do, because I used to have a big mindset problem. I used to think I couldn't do this because I had to have my own money. All right. On May 28th to 2024, I closed on this property. If you look up here, I paid 122.5 for it.